Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So here comes the part 4 of a very interesting and important video series. That is the series of videos in which we are learning family related terms in Korean language. So if you have not watched the first 3 parts yet, then you can go and watch them on Korean Express YouTube channel. I'm going to share the link of that complete playlist on family vocabulary in Korean in the description also. So you can go and watch that playlist. Okay, now let's start with the 4th part of the series. Here comes the first word, and that is the Korean word for husband, and that is 남편. 남편. Here comes the next word, and that is wife. So in Korean, wife is 아내. 아내. Now here is a very important note. There are other words too for husband and wife, but we are going to talk about them in a separate video. Okay, there are many other words, but we are not going to discuss that right now. In this video, I have only used the word that is the most common or the most general word for husband and wife. Okay, alright, here comes the next word, and that is nephew, and in Korean it is called 조카. 조카. Okay, next comes the Korean word for niece, and that is 조카딸. 조카딸. One more thing, you will notice that sometimes 조카 is also used for niece. So what I mean is that 조카 can mean both nephew and niece, but to be specific, niece is called 조카딸. Okay, next comes the Korean word for twins, and that is 쌍둥이. 쌍둥이. Here comes the next word, and that is the Korean word for father's sister, and in Korean it is 고모. 고모. Next comes the Korean word for father's sister's husband, and in Korean 고모부. 고모부. Okay, 고모 is the Korean word for father's sister, and you just have to attach the syllable 부 to this word, and it translates to father's sister's husband, that is 고모부. Okay, next comes the Korean word for mother's sister, and that is 이모. 이모. See, father's sister is 고모, and if you remove 고 and add e at its place, it translates to mother's sister. Okay, next comes the Korean word for mother's sister's husband, and that is, you can make a guess, is 이모부. 이모부. Okay, you have to do the same thing. You have to attach 부 to the word 이모, just like we did with the name of father's sister's husband. Okay, now comes the next word, and that is the Korean word for father's older brother, and in Korean there are 2 words. One is 큰아버지, and the another one is 큰아빠. They both mean the same, just the difference in the level of politeness. 아버지 is the Korean word for father, but in a more respectful way, and appa is the colloquial word, or I should say the casual way to say father in Korean. Okay, next thing, we know that the Korean adjective for to be big is 크다. Okay, now here that adjective has been used in the form of a modifier, and it becomes 큰. So if you translate this whole word, it becomes big father. Okay, but the meaning of this word is father's older brother. Okay, obviously you can understand it, big father, which means someone who is older than your father. So that is the older brother of your father. It is very simple. You just have to focus on the concept. Okay, these words are very simple to learn. You just need to find the logic behind them. Okay, so father's older brother is kin abaji or kin appa. Alright, okay, here comes the next word, and that is the Korean word for father's younger brother. Now you can make a guess. The Korean word for this is 작은 아버지 or 작은 아빠. We know the meaning of abaji, appa. We just discussed it right now. Now, the Korean adjective that means to be small is 작다. It is used as a modifier over here, and therefore it translates to 작은. So, small father, the literal translation I am telling you, you can find out the real meaning. It means younger than your father, that is father's younger brother, and therefore the word is 작은 아버지 or 작은 아빠. Very simple, just remember the logic. Okay, one more important thing, we learned that the Korean word for father's younger brother is samchon. Okay, it is correct, no problem, but there is a slight difference between samchon and 작은 아버지. Samchon is father's younger brother when he is unmarried. Okay, the condition is unmarried. Then you are going to call your father's younger brother samchon. And if your father's younger brother is married, then we use the word 작은 아버지 or 작은 아빠. Okay, this is the difference between the two words that are used to denote the father's younger brother, samchon and 작은 아버지. Okay, alright, so today we learned a few Korean terms for various family members. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.